out there, and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, if 2 raised to the power of x equals 2 brackets open 16 raised to the power of 12 bracket close plus 2 brackets open 8 raised to the power of 16 bracket close, what is the value of x? Now how do we solve this question? Let us go. Let's have the question again. We are having 2 raised to the power of x equals 2 brackets open 16 raised to the power of 12 bracket close plus 2 brackets open 8 raised to the power of 16 bracket close. Now from here we can still have this as 2 raised to the power of x equals 2. Now 16 is 2 raised to the power of what? Of 4. So I can have this as 2 raised to the power of 4 bracket close, then there's a 12 there as a power. All right, then plus 2, all right, bracket open, this is 2 raised to the power of what? Of 3 bracket close raised to the power of 16. You can have this as 2 raised to the power of x equals 2. Now bracket open 2. Well, what is 4 times 12? That is 48 bracket close. Is that clear? Now plus 2 bracket open 2 raised to the power of 3 times 16 is also what? 48. Is that understood? All right, so from here we can still have this as now 2 raised to the power of x equals, now this from the law of indices, okay, now this is 2 raised to the power of 1, all right, and there is 2 raised to the power of what? 48. Now 48 plus 1 will give us what? 49. So this is 2 raised to the power of 49 plus the same thing is applicable there. All right, so this is what? 2 raised to the power of 49. Is that clear? All right, so this can be written as 2 equals, now what is common here and here? 2 raised to the power of 49 is common, so I can have 2 raised to the power of 49, okay, 49 bracket open. What is left here? 1 is left there plus, okay, what is left here? 1 is left there. All right, so I'm having 2 raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of 49, okay, bracket open, 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2. From here we are having 2 raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of, now from the laws of indices there is 2 raised to the power of 1, so 1 plus 49 gives us what? 50. So that is what? 50. Is that clear? Now 2 and 2 can go off. What is my x? My x is equal to 50. So our x is 50. Thank you and bye bye.